little friends! Today I am in Istanbul. Come explore with me. Welcome to Istanbul. A new friend. There is so much to see in Istanbul. This city feels magical. What smells so yummy? Istanbul is full of surprises. Let's explore Istanbul together. Wow, this street is so beautiful.
Welcome to Galata, Milo.
Wow! Galata Tower is so tall. Yes, it reaches high into the sky. Let's go up carefully. Step by step, up we go. I can see the whole city from here. Istanbul looks like a storybook. It is so beautiful. That is the magic charm of Istanbul. It is showing us the next place. Let's follow it. Wow, so many colors.
This is the Grand Bazaar.
Let's go inside. Wow, so many colors.
This is the Grand Bazaar.
Let's go inside. Wow, look! These carpets are soft and beautiful. It smells so sweet and nice. So many colors and smells. The magic clue is close. Look! This blue charm is glowing. Maybe it is part of the magic clue. It feels magical. The charm is showing us the way. Let's follow the clue. A new adventure begins. Wow, these blue ceramics are so beautiful. They look like little pieces of the sky. I think the magic charm is near. Bazaar tea time feels magical. The magic clue is still with us. This place is hidden and beautiful.
The magic charm is leading us.
Look! The magic symbol is above the arch. This must be the way forward. A new place is waiting for us. The Bosphorus is so big and beautiful. The magic is taking us there next. Come on, let's go! We found the next clue! Let's keep exploring Istanbul. Wow! The blue trail is showing us the way.
It is leading us to the Bosphorus.
Let's follow it. Wow! The Bosphorus big and blue. It is one of Istanbul's beautiful places. Can we ride one? Wow! This ferry will take us across the Bosphorus. It looks amazing. Let's go aboard. The ferry ride feels so fun. It's all around us. I love the Bosphorus. Istanbul connects Europe and Asia. One city, two continents. Wow, that is so special.
The charm is pointing to Maiden's Tower.
It looks like a little castle. Wow. It looks like a little castle in the sea.
That is Maiden's Tower.
It is so beautiful. Wow! The charm wants us to go there. The magic is showing us the way. We are here! Maiden's Tower is so beautiful. Let's explore carefully.
This tower has many stories.
I want to learn them all. This place feels magical. Look! A star window. It is glowing blue.
The next clue is Frost the Sea.
Another adventure is let's follow the light. The blue light is flying over the sea. It is leading us somewhere special. Let's follow it. Let's follow it. Wow! That is Seagull Island. It is so cute and tiny. Let's meet your friends.
These are my seagull friends.
Hello, new friends. These are my seagull friends. Hello, new friends. Yeah. The feather shines when they sing. The feather shines. The next clue is going to Tulips. Let's fly toward the tulips. Wow! So many beautiful tulips.
Wow.
Let's explore the garden. These are red tulips.
These are yellow tulips. Yellow is sunny.
Pink tulips are sweet. Purple tulips are magical. Pink and purple are beautiful together. These are orange tulips. Red, yellow, purple, and orange. We learned so many beautiful colors. Look, the blue light is turning into a rainbow. It is a rainbow bridge.
Let's see where it goes.
Rainbow, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. This rainbow bridge magical. It is soft and shiny. Welcome, Milo. The rainbow brought you here. Follow the little raindrop.
It is showing us the next way.
Let's follow the raindrop. Yeah. Look, the little raindrop is falling gently.
This is soft rain. It makes the city fresh.
Rainy means there is rain. Puddles are little pools of rainwater. After the rain, the sun will shine again. A new adventure is waiting. Look! The sun is shining again. It is a sunny day. The sun is warm. And the ground is getting dry. Warm and dry. Everything looks clean. And fresh after the rain. And fresh after the rain.
We had a wonderful adventure.
We are happy friends. Thank you, Istanbul, for this magical adventure. Goodbye, little friends. See you next time.